Hello my old school soul food family, Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Hey y'all, today I'm doing a quick video. I guess I'm back to that August 30 meals in 30 minutes or less. But it's not really a meal, it's a side item that I keep in my refrigerator. And I'm doing some extra today because I'm actually giving it away to my neighborhood. I'm doing a tomato, onion, cucumber salad. I'm putting it in jars. I always have 2 or 3 of these in my refrigerator all the time. And the longer it sets up, the better it gets. It's a nice salad. I can sometimes mix it with feta cheese and calamari olives, and then you got an automatic Greek salad. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. You remember I went to the farmer's market last weekend, got some nice cucumbers here, some red onions, tomatoes that actually smell like tomatoes. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut these up, I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna make the vinaigrette I do with this. This thing is so quick, y'all. The hardest part is cutting up the vegetables. So I'm gonna get everything cut up, I'm gonna come back, show you how to put it together, put it in the jars, and it's very simple. So we will be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Okay, I got my tomatoes diced up here. Nice, pretty tomatoes. Add my cucumbers to this. Like I might not add them all. We're gonna look at it here. I julienne my onions, I sliced my cucumbers, and I large chop my tomatoes, y'all. I just like the different contrasts of shapes. I think it makes a big difference in the salad. Okay, let me see if I need that extra cucumber in there. I think I will. Mix that all together. Then I got some fresh dill here. I'm gonna add to this. Put that all in there. Mix that all up together. There we go. How pretty that is. Okay, now I'm gonna make the dressing of this, which is very simple, y'all. Very simple dressing here. Move this to the side. Very simple. I use white vinegar, and I use both kinds of vinegar, y'all. White, and I got a recipe for this. I made it so many times, y'all, that I just pull this stuff together. Okay. Alrighty. I'm gonna put a little salt and pepper in this. A little bit more. I use an oil blend, which is it's 75% olive oil and about 25% sunflower oil. A little sugar in this. It's a little sugar, y'all, not much. Mix this all up together. Like I said, y'all, it don't take much for this salad here. And I'll put it all over the salad here. Like that. Let that soak in there a little bit. And once it's soaked in there a little bit, then we're gonna come back and we're gonna put it in the jars. And one thing about this salad, I like to let it sit in my refrigerator 3 or 4 days, even up to a week. And that way the flavors really marry together, y'all. Really marry together. So anyway, y'all, I'm gonna be right back with this. Oh, this smells amazing, y'all. That dill in there. You smell that apple cider vinegar. You can't go wrong with this. So refreshing salad, especially when it sits in the refrigerator and married together. It smells amazing. So I will be right back here in about 20 minutes in. We'll put it in the jars. So we'll be right back. Okay, y'all. We are back here. Okay, y'all. All I do when I put it in jars, I try to put it as even as possible. I'll just take my tongs here. I got more jars sitting around. Putting it just like that. Get some more jars here. I try to do it as even as I possibly can. There's no science to this. And then, of course, all that juice that's in the bottom, we're going to pour it in here later. me get more jars here. And these this here goes in the refrigerator, y'all. This doesn't set out because this is not canned. It is canned, but it's not like canned like I do jelly and stuff like that. So this can't set out at room temperature. You can, but what I mean, it just can't be setting out forever because it will spoil on you. It must be refrigerated. I think I got enough to make one more jar here. Like I say, I do this all the time. I do at least, I'm surprised I haven't shared this with y'all. I do it 2 or 3 times in the summertime when I get good fresh tomatoes. Okay. Now, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna get my little tomato here. I'm gonna lay up the juice in there. Believe me, that I might have to make some more dressing. If I do, hey, it's all good. You can do dressing very easy. That's what I'm gonna do, y'all. I'm gonna step off here. I'm gonna make a little bit more dressing for this. I'm gonna come back and show you the final product. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we are back. Y'all, this is probably one of the only videos when I do can and do stuff like this, you never get to see me taste my food because I like this to set up. See how pretty that come out? Look at that. See how pretty that is? I like to let mine set up at least a week before I even eat it because all this flavor is gonna marry together in here. All that vinegar and sugar and salt and pepper and oil. Amazing salad. And like I said, I keep 2 or 3 in my refrigerator. I'm giving 2 away to a neighbor of mine who requested it because they love this stuff. Like I say, you can mix it with feta cheese and some calamari olives and mix it with that and you got you a nice Greek salad. So yeah, so just show you how simple you can do this. And like I say, a lot of people in the summer like the cucumber and onion and tomato salad. And I love them. I grew up on them. My mom always had it. We always had this in the refrigerator. So yeah, I just want to show y'all a quick, easy way. Very quick. You see how easy that was to put together. And like I say, put them up in the refrigerator and have something to eat on the side when you have some peas. And I like to eat it with cream peas on the side. Can't go wrong with that. Even some fried catfish. You want a little side thing, put a little of that on the plate with the fried catfish. So anyway, let me close this video out. A little quick video. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe, please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag this year, 2021, help somebody, Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.